Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Spotify and signing into the precise account you'll modify. Once done, navigate to your library or the Home Recommendations feed where the unwanted suggestions appear. Now locate the specific song, artist, or playlist that's influencing recommendations and add it to a temporary playlist or mark it so you can remove traces later. Make sure to note if this is on mobile or desktop, because the next steps differ slightly between apps. Follow the app path you see. Next, remove direct signals. Unsave songs and delete the temporary playlist you used to isolate the tracks so they no longer contribute to your profile. Once the music is removed, clear recent played and listening history where the app allows. This reduces algorithm weight. Unfollow artists and playlists that keep resurfacing on mobile. Use the three-dot menu to hide specific songs in recommendation lists. These actions prevent future tuning toward those tastes, and they change the data Spotify uses to generate suggestions. Finally, force Spotify to reevaluate by logging out, restarting the app, and logging back in. This prompts a refresh of cached recommendation data. If you still see unwanted suggestions, start a private session or create a separate profile. That immediately prevents old history from shaping new recommendations. If problems persist, clear the app cache or use the support report option to flag incorrect recommendations. One key troubleshooting tip: always check you removed items from both saved and playlists, since remnants their.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.